If you want to trim audio in Audacity quickly and cleanly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to trim Audacity audio in just a few simple steps so you can keep only the part you want and remove the rest with confidence. This is a really useful editing skill, whether you're working on a podcast, voiceover, music clip, or any other audio project. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in Audacity and make sure your audio waveform is visible on the screen. To begin trimming, click the Selection tool icon. This is the tool that looks like a capital letter I, and it lets you select the exact section of audio you want to work with. Once that tool is active, click and drag across the waveform to highlight the section of audio you want to keep. Take your time here and make sure your selection starts and ends exactly where you want it to. If you select too much or too little, you can always adjust it before trimming. After you've highlighted the audio you want to keep, go up to the Edit menu at the top of the screen. From there, click Remove Special. Inside that submenu, choose Trim Audio. This will remove everything outside your selected area and leave only the highlighted portion in your project. It's a fast and efficient way to clean up your audio without manually deleting sections one by one. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, there's an even quicker method. You can simply press Ctrl-T on your keyboard, and Audacity will trim the audio for you instantly. That shortcut does the same thing as the menu option, so once you get comfortable with it, it can really speed up your editing workflow. After trimming, listen back to your audio to make sure the result sounds correct. If needed, you can still make small adjustments or undo the action and try again. That's one of the best things about Audacity. It gives you simple tools that are easy to learn but powerful enough for real editing work. So to recap, click the Selection tool, drag across the part of the waveform you want to keep, go to Edit, choose Remove Special, and then click Trim Audio. Or just use Ctrl-T for a faster workflow. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.